everyone, and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how we could change the sign minus to positive or negative values to positive values by just 3 clicks. So to do that, type -1 in any empty square or row. So here, this entire column, I want to change the sign minus into plus. To do that, I type here -1, I click Ctrl C, I go back to my column, and we select everything. We scroll up, we click with the right button of the mouse, and we select Paste Special. Next step, we are going to select Multiply, and we're going to click OK. Now we can go ahead and delete the -1, and as you can see, all the values has been changed to positive value instead of negative. I hope this video tutorial was helpful, quick, and easy to follow. If you are still in need of help or assistance, you can always write us a comment or send us an email, and we will do our best to help you. If you would like to encourage us, you can always subscribe and click like, and do not forget to share if you find this video useful. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.